A warm welcome to all nature enthusiasts and curious minds across the globe. We are diving into the captivating world of the swamp deer, also known as Barasingha. This majestic creature, native to the Indian subcontinent, is a sight to behold with its distinctive antlers, each carrying more than 3 tines. This unique feature has earned it the name Barasingha, which means 12-horned in Hindi. The Barasingha is a large deer, adorned with a yellowish-brown coat and delicate white spots running along its spine. But its beauty is not just skin-deep. This creature is a true survivor, adapting to thrive in diverse habitats ranging from grasslands and floodplains to marshes. It's a testament to nature's remarkable resilience and adaptability. But the Barasingha is not just another deer species. It carries with it a rich tapestry of history and significance. Its existence is intertwined with the ecosystems it inhabits, contributing to the ecological balance. It's a symbol of nature's bounty and of the intricate relationships that bind us all together. However, this beautiful creature finds itself in a precarious position today. Its population has been on a steady decline, threatened by factors such as hunting, habitat loss, and poaching. The survival of the Barasingha is a matter of urgent concern, a testament to the larger issue of wildlife conservation that we must all rally behind. As we journey through the fascinating life of the swamp deer, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your fellow nature lovers. Together, we can spread awareness and take steps towards preserving these incredible creatures for future generations. Let's embark on this journey of discovery, understanding, and most importantly, conservation. To truly appreciate the swamp deer, we must travel back in time and trace its historical journey. So let's embark on this fascinating voyage. The swamp deer, also known as the Barasingha, was once a common sight across the lush landscapes of the Indian subcontinent. With its majestic antlers carrying more than 3 tines, this deer species commanded respect and admiration. Its name, Barasingha, quite fittingly means 12-horned in Hindi, a tribute to its impressive antlers. Historically, the swamp deer inhabited a variety of habitats, ranging from the grasslands to floodplains and marshes. Its yellowish-brown coat, speckled with white spots along the spine, was a sight to behold against the verdant backdrop of its natural environment. However, as the centuries turned, the swamp deer's population began to dwindle. A perfect storm of hunting and habitat loss took a heavy toll on these magnificent creatures. Hunting, once a sport of the elite, became a major threat to the deer's survival. Their impressive antlers, which were their pride, ironically became the cause of their peril, as hunters sought them for trophies. Simultaneously, rapid urbanization and agricultural expansion led to the fragmentation and loss of their habitats. The once widespread swamp deer found themselves confined to smaller and smaller patches of land, struggling to find the resources they needed to survive. The marshes, grasslands, and floodplains that were once their homes were replaced by concrete jungles and crop fields. The swamp deer's diet, comprising primarily of grasses and aquatic plants, became increasingly scarce, adding another layer of complexity to their survival. Their breeding season, which occurs from September to April, also became more challenging as suitable habitats dwindled. As we see, the swamp deer's journey has been fraught with challenges, making its current status all the more crucial. Fast forward to the present day, the swamp deer finds itself in a precarious position. These majestic creatures, also known as Barasingha, now face significant challenges that threaten their existence. Their population, once thriving across the Indian subcontinent, has dwindled dramatically, leaving them scattered in fragmented pockets across India and Nepal. The swamp deer's primary habitats are grasslands, floodplains, and marshes. But these habitats are under threat, with rapid urbanization and agricultural expansion leading to significant habitat degradation. The lush grasslands and marshes that once provided a safe haven for these animals are shrinking at an alarming rate, leaving the swamp deer to grapple with an ever-diminishing home. But habitat loss isn't the only threat these creatures face. Poaching remains a significant concern. Despite being protected under wildlife protection acts, the swamp deer continue to be targeted for their unique antlers, which carry more than 3 tines. This has led to a considerable reduction in their numbers and poses an ongoing threat to their survival. Illegal farming is another major issue. The encroachment of farmland into the swamp deer's natural habitats has not only led to habitat loss but also increased human-deer conflict. This conflict often results in the death of these beautiful creatures, further pushing their numbers down. The swamp deer, however, are fighters. They continue to adapt and survive in these increasingly challenging conditions. Despite the myriad of threats they face, these animals remain resilient, holding on to their fragmented habitats and fighting for their survival. The swamp deer's struggle is a stark reminder of the delicate balance of our ecosystems and the devastating impact human activities can have on wildlife. It's a call to action for us all to do our part in ensuring the survival of these wonderful creatures and the preservation of our natural world. The swamp deer, majestic and resilient, continues to fight for its survival against numerous odds. Their story is one of resilience and survival, a testament to the enduring spirit of nature in the face of adversity. In the face of such challenges, the survival of the swamp deer hinges on concerted conservation efforts. These majestic creatures, known as Barasingha in Hindi, meaning 12-horned, have been the focus of many preservation initiatives. Their situation is indeed dire, but not without hope. A significant stride towards their survival is their protection under Wildlife Acts in India, where hunting these beautiful animals is strictly prohibited. These laws serve as a shield, protecting them from the threat of poaching that has drastically reduced their numbers in the past. The Barasingha is also listed on the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, or CITES, Appendix 1. This listing ensures that international trade of the species, which could further endanger their survival, is closely monitored and controlled. But why, you may ask, are these efforts so vital? The swamp deer is more than just a beautiful creature. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of its habitats. As a primary consumer, the swamp deer helps control the growth of grasses and aquatic plants. This balance is essential for the health of the ecosystem, and the ripple effects can be felt throughout the food chain, up to the top predators. Moreover, the swamp deer is a flagship species, symbolizing the state of its natural environment. Its decline signals a broader ecological crisis, making its conservation all the more urgent. Lastly, the swamp deer is the state animal of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, symbolizing the cultural and natural heritage of these regions. Its preservation is therefore a matter of national pride and identity. As we bid farewell, remember that the survival of the swamp deer is intertwined with the health of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature.